Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hot topic, electric cars versus gasoline cars. We hear all the time that EVs are better for the planet, but is that an actual fact? Let's get into it. First up, the most obvious point, tailpipe emissions. Gas cars burn fossil fuels, releasing harmful pollutants like carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter directly into the air we breathe. These contribute to smog, acid rain, and climate change. Electric cars, on the other hand, have zero tailpipe emissions. None, zip, nada. Driving an EV means cleaner air in our communities, which is a huge win for public health, especially in busy cities. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the electricity? Doesn't that cause pollution? And that's a great question. It's true that the electricity for EVs has to come from somewhere, and some power plants do burn fossil fuels. This is what's called well-to-wheel emissions. However, even when you factor this in, EVs almost always come out ahead. Power grids are getting cleaner every year, with more and more energy coming from renewable sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. As the grid gets greener, your EV gets greener too. A gas car, however, will always rely on gasoline. Let's also talk about the manufacturing process, specifically the batteries. Making EV batteries is energy intensive, and mining the raw materials like lithium and cobalt has its own environmental impact. This is a valid concern, and it's something the industry is working hard to improve. But here's the thing, studies that look at the entire life cycle of a car from manufacturing to driving and final disposal consistently show that electric vehicles have a significantly smaller carbon footprint over their lifetime compared to gas cars. The initial impact of making the battery is offset by years and years of zero-emission driving. Plus, battery recycling technology is rapidly improving, allowing us to recover valuable materials and use them again. So, when you look at the big picture, cleaner air in our cities, an increasingly green power grid, and a lower overall carbon footprint from creation to scrapyard, the evidence is totally clear. Electric vehicles represent a major step forward in our journey toward a more sustainable future. They're not a perfect solution, but they are a much, much better one. Let me have your take and opinion on it. Leave a comment below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.